Hi guys, Tactical Advantage here. Today we're doing an Ordinance Sporter Econ AK unboxing. Everything that comes in the box. I mean, obviously I put these in here. And I loaded this up, but that's the only thing I did. Comes with two mags. Two 30-round mags. In here they have some gun oil and stuff. I'll show you. Yep, yes. Yeah, that's aside. We have this gun lock thingy. I don't know what this is actually. And then in here, it just basically comes with the, like, it's because they have a lifetime warranty. So basically, you just whatever, you know. All right, and here it is. It does not have the optic rail mount, so you are not able to mount any optics to it. That's okay because I like iron sights. Pretty sure the stock is interchangeable right there. I'm pretty sure that the hand guard is interchangeable too. That's what the shop said, but I don't know how to interchange it. And obviously this upper gas top thing is replaceable. But yep, this is the Sporter Econ.